Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up viral iPhone spectral wallpaper on your any iPhone 17 series. So I'm using my iPhone here. So this method will be work any iPhone 17 series. So I'm provide full guide. Don't skip my video. So simply open your settings, general, software update. Must be check out your update iOS 26. I'm already updated this, and open photo apps, open this photo. Now it's okay. Now it's need to turn on. It's showing it to 3D effect. So I'm provide this image link in my description box, just check out. Okay, click on the share option, scroll down, then you get uses wallpaper option, just press on. Okay, you just easily adjust. Okay, but not adjust from this under. Okay, at first need to enable and press on three dot, enable to drift effect, and adjust clock and adjust place anywhere. Okay, okay, press on add this. So now I'm check out this. Now successfully set up.